Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Amanda from Hookemcreations. I am so glad you're back for week 2 of Amigurumi. I can never pronounce it correctly, so give me a break. It's Amigurumi month. That's all I can say. And I love amigurumis. I expressed that greatly last week on how much I love amigurumis, and we are on week 2, which is changing colors. Last week I stopped at row 6. We are going to continue on to row 9 today. This is my little ball pattern that I like to make. I am just using white yarn as my changing color. So last week we stopped at row 6. I'm going to continue on to row 7, which is again single crochet all the way around. So it can make more of that sphere shape. So I'm going to quickly just go ahead and go all the way around. This is row 7, and then 8, and then going into row 8 we will be changing colors. All right, and we're going into the last. All right, now we have one more stitch left here, if you can see clearly. I'm going to go ahead and start the single crochet. Now, do not yarn over with the red yarn, with your yarn that's already attached, because we are going to change colors here. From here, you're going to take your second color, color B, yarn over with that, and pull through. From here, I'm going to remove my stitch marker for a hot second. From here, take both yarns, the one that was your working yarn and your new color, and kind of place them together. So that way when you insert your hook into the next stitch, it is underneath both yarns. You're going to yarn over with the new yarn and continue single crocheting across. And this, we can go ahead and snip that second color off. And from here, just continue single crocheting across with the 2 yarns being crocheted into. It's gonna feel a little thicker because of those extra fibers, but this allows for it to not unravel. I do this with all my amigurumis. I have yet to have a problem with it, and I love it. So I'm going to put my stitch marker back there, and I'm going to just keep single crocheting all the way around for row 8. And at some point you can say, all right, that's enough. I have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, let's do one more. Let's do one more. Let's make it a good 8, even number. And 8, be safe than sorry. And then you can push those out of the way when the threads are short enough. Push it out of the way. Make sure it stays inside where you're going to be stuffing. And just keep working all the way around, like so. And it's really that easy. That's how easy changing colors can be. There are other methods and ways to make it very seamless, but I'm going for basic and easy right now, very easy for beginners. We can do more advanced stuff in other videos, but right now we're doing basic, simple, and easy. And then I'm going to do row 9, which is again another single crochet all the way around. And there we go. Now it's starting to look like a ball, and it will look more like a ball next week when we start decreasing. If you like our videos and you want to see more of them, be sure to drop a comment of what amigurumis you like to make, or if you're new to making amigurumis, what are you looking forward to making, and if these videos are helping you. And while you're at it, be sure to subscribe to our channel and get notified of when our next video comes out. And if you want to support our channel financially, buy us a coffee. The link is in the description below. And until next time, happy crafting.